Hi family, welcome back and thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I want to share with you a very simple but remarkable recipe with just two natural ingredients. This recipe is going to make your hair to grow longer, thicker, shinier and healthier. Before we get started, this is the state of my hair right now. I just took out these beautiful mini twists which I had them on for 3 weeks and my hair is in need of some TLC. So let's go ahead and transform this hair from looking like this to looking like this. Like I already mentioned, we need just two ingredients, which are okra and avocado for this recipe. I've already washed my okra, so I'm going to go ahead and chop it. While doing that, I would like to say a very big welcome and thank you to everyone who just recently subscribed to this channel. So we now have over 25,000 family members, YouTube family members. I'm truly grateful. My heart goes out in gratitude to each and every one of you. So expect to find hair growth and healthy hair care recipes from the most natural ingredients which you can almost find in your kitchen. And if you're wondering for how long I've been growing my natural hair, well, it's been 5 years now. I'm done chopping the okra, so now I'm going to pour some water into a pot, enough such that the okra is going to sit comfortably in it, and then I'm going to go ahead and boil the water. After boiling, I'm going to go ahead and turn off the heat completely, and then I will add the chopped okra, make sure that it sits in the water, then I'll cover the pot and leave it to cool down. I'm going to let you keep watching. I couldn't help but eat 1/4 of the avocado. So this recipe can be used as a pre-poo or to deep condition the hair after shampoo. This time around I chose to use it as a pre-poo. Anyways, the recipe is going to help replenish moisture and deeply hydrate the hair. It's going to improve detangling, giving the okra sleep and the softness from the avocado. It's also going to nourish, soothe and condition the scalp and the hair. And regular and long-term use will result in stronger, shinier and frizz-free hair. Since I used this as a pre-poo, after covering my hair for 30 minutes, I went on to shampoo, condition, and deep condition my hair. Then I applied the leave-in conditioner. The next day, I oiled my hair and used the African threading method to stretch it. When I thread down towards the end of my hair, I create a knot and a loop. Then I pull the loop to match the remaining length of my hair, because my hair is a little bit thinner towards the ends of the hair. I don't know why I do this, but it gives me some kind of a feeling of security, like I'm protecting the ends of my hair. I don't know if I'm really explaining this well, but please watch the video to see if the explanation matches the actions. Okay, so after that I thread down, then I thread up, then create another knot and leave an extension which I'll pull when I want to take out the thread. On good days, I just need to pull this extra thread and I'll just easily unravel the thread, but on not so good days like this one, well, see for yourself. Alright family, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please let me know if you're going to give this recipe a try, and also do not forget to give the video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. I'll see you in another video. Bye.